This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Charming 3-bedroom, 2,800 square foot brick ranch located on a gorgeous 3/4 acre lot on a great street. Wonderful floor plan with living room, family room, den, formal dining room, spacious eat-in kitchen, office and large screen porch. 2 fireplaces, lovely hardwood floors throughout, beautiful moldings and trim. Garage plus shed for additional storage. For more information, review the details below.